What is the number name of this number? Let's see. We know while naming the 4-digit number in words, we divided the number into 3 parts. This is the first part, the thousands place. This is the second part, the hundreds place. And this is the third part, the tens and ones place taken together. So the number name has 3 parts. The first part comes from the 8 in the thousands place, that is 8,000. The second part comes from the hundreds place, that is 200. And the third part comes from the tens and ones place taking together. So 3 and 5, 35. So the number name of this number is 8235. Similarly, we can name the 5-digit number. Once again, we can divide it into 3 parts. That is, the number name is made up of 3 parts. The first part comes from these 2. The second part comes from this. And third part comes from these 2 taking together. So the first part comes from 1 and 5 taken together. 1 and 5 taken together is 50. Because it is in thousands place, we write as 15,000. Then I can take the hundreds place. There is 3 in the hundreds place. So 300. And then last part of the number name comes from these 2 tens and ones digits taken together. 2 and 4 taken together gives us 24. So the last part is 24. So it has 3 components. 1, this comes from this 2. Second part, which comes from these 3. And this is the third part. So don't think it's difficult to do. It's actually very simple. So just need to divide the number into 3 parts. First by taking 2 numbers, then 1 and then 2. So 2, 1, 2. This is how you divided. Also, when it is come to 5-digit number, we can put a comma after the first 2 digit. So I can put a comma after 5. That is, I can put a comma after the thousands place. How does it help us? It helps us by making it easy to read the number. How? I can see there is a comma after 15. So immediately I can say that it is 15,000 and then 324. So the number read as 15,324. 324,